Hey Stuart, this is our EdgeMania, our hashtag EdgeMania, talking with my hands type suggestion. So, go ahead.
Alright, so picture this. We set up a sexy car wash with someone's dirty car as a prop. Bunch of sexy bikini girls are dancing to some music and washing the car. And as people drive up, they're beckoning the drivers to come on over.
Yeah, so they're beckoning the drivers to come on over, and they're asking, hey, you want to see some dancing? You want to see us wash your car? You want your car washed? You want to see some dancing? So after the guy gets really hyped up, and he's all excited to get his car washed by these sexy bikini girls, out from around the corner, a bunch of drag queens come out. And then the guy's face, oh my God, can you imagine? It'd be priceless as these drag queens start washing his car. It'd be epic. The best part is there's no loser. Everybody's laughing and smiling, cutting up, and we actually have a full crew of drag queens ready to do this. Legit drag queens. Start saying something.
Okay, so all right, and then we have another one as well. I always want to talk with my hands.
No, it's fine. You can talk with your hands. I just did that for fun.
So here's another one. We have a couple of friends on the force that can help us out with this. Basically, chase or walk up to a parked cop unit and attempt to arrest the officer in the driver's seat of the car. We're going to write them a ticket for some donuts and then deliver the donuts.
Give them the donuts.
I think that would be pretty awesome.
We got a few friends on the force that are willing to help us pull it off. They got some larger, well, some larger fellas on the force that we can pull this prank on. Ought to be pretty hilarious. So Stuart, for fun, we also went ahead and put together a masterpiece, cinematic for you. You ought to get a kick out of this. So it's the sexy car wash idea. You know what? Just check it out. Watch the video. Enjoy.
Hey girls, come wash my car. I got a dirty car for you over here.
New customer. Oh, how about that? Yeah. You want new customers? You want to see some dancing? Yeah. How about it, pretty boy?
Oh yeah.
Can't believe I'm about to get my car washed by some pretty ladies. Okay, come on, girls.
Car wash. Car wash.
Oh my God.
Let's do this, baby. Let's do this. Let's do it.
It's like you're humping the car.
Let's get it washed. Ooh, yeah. You like it like that. Yeah.
Ooh, you like what you see?
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Ooh,
Gets
yeah.
it. Thanks for listening to our hashtag EdgeMania suggestions. Hopefully you choose at least one of these. Yeah.
Cut?
Cut it!